Alright guys, recording. It's time for the reveal. Let's have. Hey all, vanakkam, namaskaram, eppadi irukeenga? How are you all? Welcome to another vlog. This is your Black Visor here. So yes, it's again been a while, but today is something special, as you would have seen right in the thumbnail. Yes, unboxing a new bike, my second bike I'm adding to my garage. First was Duke, and now another bike that I'm adding to the garage. So now I'm heading to the showroom to go unbox the bike. So it's been there from Saturday evening. Yeah, Saturday night it had come at the showroom. So Sunday wasn't possible to unbox. So now today Monday morning I'm heading to the showroom. Time is almost 10:15 in the morning, and yeah, I'm heading to the showroom and finally excited. I just couldn't control. I mean, I was like, beach mein Sunday, why is it coming here? For the first time, that excitement, you feel like it should have just happened. But yeah, like they say, everything comes at its own sweet time. So yeah, today I'm going to the showroom. I'm excited, and I don't know what to say. But yes, let's join me, guys, on this unboxing journey. So it's going to be split into two vlogs, I think, because delivery is not today for the bike. Delivery will be maybe tomorrow or day after, because the registration and all has to be done. And then yeah, let's continue then. Let's head to the showroom. Alright, so here we are, guys, at the showroom finally, and I will show you the brand. It is, yes, there you go, Aprilia. By now you guys would have guessed it, which bike I'm taking. And it's actually here, not this box. Yeah, so it is this box. This is the white one. This is somebody else's bike. And yeah, we have again Satya here is joining me for the unboxing. Go ahead and start unboxing the bikes. Can't wait. I've been waiting for 2 days already now. First, like I said, first time I felt, why is there a Sunday? There shouldn't have been a Sunday. But yeah, the bikes are there. The bike is there, sorry. I'm buying only one bike, not two bikes. So the bike is there. The color, keep guessing what color I have. Actually, I'm buying. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's start it fast. Alright guys, so here the box has been moved. That is the bike. Small sneak peek to the color. Yeah, that is the rim color. Let's start the unboxing. I can't wait. Time is actually running so slow. When needed, it doesn't run fast. But yeah, we have Anand here. Anand, say hi. So he's a professional photographer who is going to shoot a few little content for me. Unboxing today and then on delivery day. So you guys can follow Anand as well on Instagram. I'll share his ID. Great work. He is into automobile and wedding. Alright guys. Here it is, the bike. After 2 years, first time I saw the bike at MotoGP, and that is when I had actually fallen in love with the bike. Scissor, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Yeah. time for the reveal. Let's have. Yeah. Woo. There you go, guys. Welcome. Here you go, guys. The new baby of the garage is finally here. I just can't believe the day has finally come. Adding the Aprilia RS457 to the garage along with Snowflake Duke 390. So why I bought this bike and everything, you guys will come to know soon in future vlogs. But today let's just enjoy the moment and let's just cherish it. Finally, the bike in flush. Sorry, in flesh. What am I talking in flush? This is the color I have chosen. So now we need to figure out what name I have to give for the bike. So let's see what name. If you guys come up with some good names, let me know. It's white in color. So I think now is the PDI step, so let them go ahead and do their PDI. I need to start the bike and everything once they connect the battery and all. So let's go ahead and do the finishing touches. So as of now the PDI process has started and he is doing his work. The battery is already connected, they need to give a connection and then we will start it for the first time after filling fuel. And what all I ordered accessories, one was this visor, collar visor. Then I had also ordered the quick shifter up down to be installed on the bike, then one seat cowl. So these are the 3 extra accessories that I ordered from Aprilia. The rest all, of course, you know, it will be coming from outside. Yeah, so there is even the safety, the crash bar balls, everything has already been ordered from Architect Parts. Ordered like Architect Parts got in touch with me. I'll tell you guys about that story. It's a different part. So, but I have all the protection kit from Architect Parts readily available, which will be installed later on. Maybe I'll try to do a DIY of that. But yeah, so this is it so far. Once they connect the battery and all to you guys. Yeah. As of now, the battery has been connected and so இப்போ என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா? So as of now, yeah, they've connected the laptop and it's connected to the ECU. So for him to check if there's any error code popping up. So let him do his work. I won't. Yeah. Here is the screen. So this is how it is going to be. We'll do the peeling off later. the initial video for the RS457 and the unboxing video, I would say. So now what all I've ordered is quick shifter will be done today. They'll do the quick shifter, the visor and the seat cowl, like I said. So delivery should happen maybe on Wednesday evening or Thursday. The registration will happen tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for joining in. Do subscribe for more content coming your way on the RS457 and on the Duke 390. Until then, I'll see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.